Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dan Masowski here with your check-in on the weather. We started off this morning with a wintry mix of some rain and snow showers, and here's a fun fact for you. You could still get snowflakes even when the temperature is above the freezing point of 32 degrees. It was actually 35 when we saw those snowflakes earlier today. And we also had some drier conditions in the afternoon hours with temperatures getting into the lower 40s. And for current conditions, we're sitting at 38 degrees. We have those winds out of the west at 10 miles per hour. And that's making those feels like temperatures already in the lower 30s and the upper 20s. And we still have some snow showers here in central New York. And for more on that, I'll send it to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, back in the studio. Colleen?
Thanks, Dan. Mostly light snow falling in the North Country right now, but we do have some snow showers that are packing a punch to the south of the Mohawk Valley. You can see this burst of heavy snow here just moved through the New Berlin area. It's hitting Morris now. And once you get into those darker blues is when you see a really big drop in visibility, and it's a sudden onset. Now, the roads are fairly warm right now. Temperatures well above freezing, so slippery roads aren't going to be as big of a concern, but it's the drops in visibility with these as they go through that if you do get caught in one, you want to pull over because they pass by quickly, wait for it to pass, and then visibility to jump right back up once they go through. Now, we're going to continue to see those off and on here for just a few more hours, winding down overnight tonight. And our lows are in the low to mid-20s tonight, so we will have a hard freeze. Lots of puddles from the melting snow today. We'll be refreezing. Beware of black ice. And tomorrow we'll get back up into the 40s, up to 43 in Utica, 46 in Ilion tomorrow afternoon, 39 in Old Forge. So yet another day of melting happening for us tomorrow. Saturday will start with temperatures above normal, but then we will see those cold February temperatures back in here for the second half of the weekend. Now, you'll see on the Futurecast tonight picking up on those snow showers and the light snow in the North Country. Later on this evening, we'll still have that lake effect snow going up north, but the rest of the snow showers will wrap up. We're looking at an additional 1 to 3 inches in Old Forge overnight tonight. Other than that, most of us will see little to no snow. And then tomorrow, we got some sunshine here in the morning, very quiet for most of the day tomorrow, but in the evening, we've got some showers working their way back in, mostly rain, snow for the higher peaks in the Adirondacks, and we're expecting showers overnight tomorrow night. So during the night tomorrow night, we'll have continued melting happening. And then we've got on Saturday a chance for some snow showers. It might start off with some rain mixing in. Looks like most of those will be in the morning, maybe a flurry or two in the afternoon. Otherwise, it's a quiet day Saturday, but cold and quite windy for us as well. Then Monday is Valentine's Day, of course, and it's going to be a cold one for us this year. I don't know if you can tell here, but the balloons actually spell out the temperature. 17 degrees is the high there on Monday. We'll have partly cloudy skies and a small chance for some flurries on Valentine's Day, but nothing really that should impact your plans. And if you want to celebrate a day early, say you're heading out on Sunday, it's going to be a similar day. The high there just 19 degrees. So definitely turning the corner by the second half of the weekend. Tonight, our lows are in the mid-20s. We've got mostly cloudy skies, those snow showers wrapping up later on tonight. And tomorrow, we're pretty quiet for most of the day. We'll reach the lower 40s, so we'll see continued melting through much of the day. Chance of showers for us tomorrow evening and some snow possible Saturday. Otherwise, it's a windy day. We'll be at 39 Saturday morning. Temperatures dropping in the afternoon. Then we're left only in the teens Sunday and Monday. We are going to be rebounding next week, though. Look at by Wednesday, we may even get back into the 40s with some rain possible there on Thursday. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
A very, very gray day for us today in Utica. We had some light flurries and drizzle falling off and on throughout the day today. Pretty much clouded in all day, and temperatures reached the upper 30s earlier this afternoon. We do still have some lake effect snow happening right now. Lake Erie is actually 65% covered in ice right now. Still, though, we've got some lake effect snow coming off of both Erie and Ontario at the moment. Most of this is very light. We've got just flurries in the North Country. A couple of bursts of snow down here in Otsego County, but things are starting to wind down now. This band in the North Country here will still be going for the next couple of hours, so another inch or two possible up around the Old Forge area. For the rest of us, though, just a dusting. Roads are very warm right now with temperatures still being above freezing, so we're not seeing a whole lot of impact from this snow. Later tonight, though, the wet roads will be freezing. Watch out for black ice. We're down to 20 in Old Forge, 26 in Utica tonight, 24 in Cooperstown. So we'll see a hard freeze of that slush that we've accumulated today. And more melting happening tomorrow, 39 in Old Forge in the afternoon, 43 in Utica. So icicle season continues. Remember to check your icicles on your house due to ice dams possibly forming over the next several days. We've got a very hard freeze ahead on the weekend as well. Now you'll see tonight on the Futurecast picking up on that lake effect here, both to the south and to the north of the Mohawk Valley. We'll see that band up to the north going for a few more hours, but then things wind down for tomorrow morning. We actually get some sunshine in the morning, it looks like. Clouds in the afternoon, though, and you'll see showers start to work their way back in. It'll be warm enough for rain, with the exception of the Adirondacks. We'll deal with some wet snow tomorrow evening, but we'll see some showers through the night tomorrow night, just continuing to eat away at our snowpack as the rain is falling into the early morning hours on Saturday. But then temperatures will drop, and we'll actually see some snow showers here on Saturday with some flurries possible in the afternoon. Otherwise, it's a quiet and cold and windy day there on Saturday afternoon. Then Valentine's Day, of course, is on Monday. Going to be very cold for us this year. Typically is, of course, being in mid-February. The high on Monday, 17 degrees. You can see it spelled out here with the balloons. We'll see partly cloudy skies and a small chance for some flurries on Valentine's Day, but nothing that should affect your plans. And if you're celebrating a day early on Sunday night, similar day, our high will be 19 on Sunday. So a very cold couple of days there. Tonight, our lows are in the mid-20s. We've got some light flurries going, but low impact for us tonight. Tomorrow, it's a breezy, pretty quiet day. We'll have a chance of showers later in the evening and overnight tomorrow night. And then a little bit of snow on Saturday, but really nothing to write home about. It's going to be a cold, windy afternoon. We'll hit our high of 39 Saturday early in the morning, and temperatures will be dropping throughout the day. Teens Sunday, Monday, 20s still cold on Tuesday, but we're back to the 40s later next week, possibly close to 50 Thursday with some rain, it looks like. We've got more Eyewitness News coming up after the break. Stay right here with us on WFFV.
Looking for a Korea's weather forecast.
Well, it's a gray day for us today. You can see that here on the time lapse. Lots of melting happening for us today, though we did have some light rain and also some flurries falling off and on throughout the day today. And we still have some of those on the radar right now as well, although it's very light snow, if any at all. And our temperatures are still above freezing in most spots, so we're not seeing too much of this sticking to the roads right now. We are seeing this start to wind down, and we'll continue to do so through the night tonight. North Country holding onto the snow a little bit longer, but we actually have lake effect snow both from Lake Erie and Lake Ontario this evening. Lake Erie is 65% covered in ice right now, but not enough ice coverage to really shut down that lake effect snow that is winding down for us though right now. Later tonight we get down to the low to mid 20s, so we will see all that slush that formed today freezing hard overnight tonight, but then remelting again tomorrow. We get into the 40s, even in the North Country, 40 degrees in Old Forge tomorrow afternoon, 46 in Oneonta, 45 in Cooperstown. So a lot more melting happening for us tomorrow, and some showers will eat away at that snowpack tomorrow night. So we'll look at how that plays out. Tomorrow we're pretty quiet in the first half of the day, some sunshine even for us in the morning, more clouds in the afternoon, and then a chance of showers by tomorrow evening. We're expecting some rain overnight tomorrow night, so that'll really eat away at the snowpack, but then a chance for a little bit of snow here Saturday morning, a couple of snow showers coming through, and then a few flurries maybe in the afternoon. Otherwise, it's a quiet day Saturday, but it will be cold, temperatures falling throughout the day, and quite windy there for the first half of the weekend as well. Valentine's Day, of course, is on Monday. Going to be a cold one for us this year, as it tends to be. The high just 17 degrees on Monday, so we'll actually be below normal early next week. Partly cloudy skies Monday, small chance for a few flurries, but nothing that should impact your plans. And if you're celebrating a day early on Sunday evening, still cold, the high 19 on Sunday, so only a couple of degrees warmer there. Tonight we're down to the mid-20s. We've got some light flurries, otherwise mostly cloudy skies, and tomorrow will be a quiet day, a little bit breezy for us, but we get up into the low 40s once again, so lots more melting happening. Showers overnight tomorrow night, and a little rain and snow possible Saturday, otherwise windy with temperatures falling in the afternoon. Only teens Sunday, Monday, and we'll get down below zero Sunday night, so it's really a frigid start to the week next week. Still cold on Tuesday in the 20s, but we manage 40s again, it looks like, by Wednesday, and maybe another round of rain by Thursday. We've got more Eyewitness News.